Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create AliExpress account. To create AliExpress account, you need to first make sure that you have AliExpress application on your mobile phone. Now tap on your AliExpress application. With this, here you'll be taken to home page. Now here you can see account option on the bottom right corner. Tap on account option. After this, here you can see sign in/register option. Tap on sign in/register. Now here you'll be taken to sign in page. Here you can see you can create your account using your Apple ID, Google account or your Facebook account. You can also create your account using email or phone number. For this, tap on more options. Now tap on email or phone number box. Then here you can use your email address or your phone number. I am using my mail address. After you enter your email or phone number, tap on continue option. Now you'll receive a 4-digit verification code on the mail address that you have used to create your account. Now open your mail application on your mobile phone. Now look for the mail sent by AliExpress. Here you can see the mail sent by AliExpress. Now tap on the given mail. Now here you can see 4-digit code with red color. Now you can remember the 4-digit code. Now go back to AliExpress application, then enter the 4-digit code. After this, you'll be directed to next page. Now here you need to set your password for your account. Now tap on the password box and enter a strong password with 6 to 20 characters and at least a number, letter or symbol. With this, now tap on submit option. After this, you'll be able to create your AliExpress account. On the top left corner, you'll be able to see your AliExpress account. You can tap on your account name. Then here you'll be able to see your profile. Here you can see my AliExpress account has been created. This is how we can create AliExpress account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.